Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're getting internet lag on your Windows PC, like delayed responses, buffering, or unstable gameplay, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, in this full guide I'll show you how to reduce internet lag step by step in 2026. First, restart your router and your PC. I know it sounds basic, but it clears temporary network issues that often cause lag. Next, switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. It reduces latency and gives you a much more stable connection compared to Wi-Fi. Now check background apps. Downloads, updates, or streaming in the background can cause lag spikes, so yeah, close anything using the internet. If you're gaming, always select the nearest server region. The farther the server, the higher your ping and lag. Next, change your DNS to something faster like Google DNS or Cloudflare. This can improve connection response time. Make sure Windows updates aren't running in the background. They can quietly consume bandwidth and increase lag. Outdated network drivers can cause unstable connections, so keep them updated for better performance. Also, disable unnecessary startup apps. They can use network resources without you realizing it. If you're on Wi-Fi, keep your router away from walls and electronics. Interference can cause lag spikes. If nothing works, do a full network reset. This clears all network settings and fixes deeper connection issues. And that's it. Follow these steps and your internet lag should reduce significantly on Windows. If it still persists, it might be your ISP or router limits. But most of the time, these fixes work really well.